let it get to you. Don't let it get you down. It's noise what you hear. When the darkest hour has come, you should go home.
Fuga-chan!
Make sure to explore your old workplace. There might be jealousy all over the toilet. I should explore my workplace because there might be. Oh, hey! There is a joke. So sorry. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry. I did not
Amnesia?
say anything.
I don't know what the hell is going on though.
Alright, well, I guess we just fucking exit then.
Why is your bed
Does it
wet?
work? Genius. Genius.
Because I took those out of the dryer last night and they didn't fully dry.
That
Oh,
feels
not the
nice.
fucking truck again.
Hey, I'm tired of staring at your butt. I'm tired of staring at your butt. Flip.
What? Oh.
Ah, you're heavy. You're heavy. You're heavy. You're heavy. There we go. It's like, what the hell did you do?
It's not supposed to be my voice because my voice is shit. Matthew was there. Shit. So this custom story is like one big promotion. Everyone knows.
2. Hold on. Don't lean. Go back to where you were.
Jokes. Why the fuck did it know?
Put your hand back over there.
What the
Here.
Maybe that's
Come here, Ty.
that's a cute ass
1,
picture.
2. Oh,
Bang it up our-
not very good leverage.
Hey, how's it going? Can't buy nothing without credit. Richard. Hey, how you doing? Look at all the new releases here. We got Mega Man, Hog Dog in Kitchen, the game. I want that game. Cornflakes, the game. Holy shit, I want that game too. Ninja Gaiden, awesome. That's Wonder Boy. Okay, that looks kind
You
of
sleep weird.
comic books. Okay. The fuck are they doing outside? Okay. What do we got in this closet? The fuck are you? Pepper's Pepper. Oh, I enjoy playing this game. Good for you. That is an awesome game. I don't know about that one. Rocco's Modern Life! Yes! Oh! Oh! No, shit! Oh, there he is. Good. What? What the fuck are you talking about? Me? Ich bin PewDiePie. Okay, I agree. You want melon? I'll take it. Pick up the omnipotent talent. Money. Oh. Well, I got your money, sir.
Luffy! Oh my god, Luffy! That's scary. What just happened?
Okay, that just